How to open PNC bank account online banking. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can open or how you can register for PNC bank online banking. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you quickly through this video. First, you want to head into your browser on your device, and what you want to do is you want to search in for PNC bank online banking registration, as I've done so on the screen. You can see here. Now what you want to do is you can see the very first link, the PNC bank and enroll in online banking option. You want to simply select up that particular option there, and once you do so, here you can see enroll in online banking option here popping up. And what you'll need this social security number, you'll need PNC account number, and one of the following, that is either PNC Visa debit card pin or online access pin or mobile or phone number to receive a one-time passcode. Once you have all these, make sure you have these, you want to simply tap on get started option, and here you'll be headed into the registration page. You want to enter in all the details that you'll need here. Now you can see you want to simply tap on get started option right here on the screen, and here you'll have to enter in your details, and once you enter in your details, simply tap on sign in. You'll be able to sign in. So here, this way you can register for PNC bank account online banking registration. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.